See, here's the last panel we're going to put in right here. And see how this thing is facing down and the other one at the bottom is facing down. And we know the one on the door is facing up. And the one at the bottom is facing up. So see, once we push it in here, we're going to lift that side panel up just a bit, maybe a ½ an inch or so, and then it's going to lock down into place. That's how it's done. Remember those back blocks I was telling you about? There was one here and one at the other end way down there on the other side of the seat and on the other end. As long as this is pushed up tight, and it's pushed up tight, that's where it's going to fit. So I know that's set up right for this next little wall. And then once I get the wall in, it's got a little groove on the back side of this panel. See how it sticks out just a little bit? That's going to fit right up against here tight. And then I know the screws are going to fit. 3 more Allen wrench screws right there. I've got them set up right here. We're ready to go. Time to get this last panel up there. Yeah, I might need you to help me line up this center divider to fit in there. Might need you to get in. I don't know. We'll see.
I think you can do it.
I might be able to do it. Because I won't be able to really see it. Know what I mean? And that seat might have to be lifted up in the corner for me to fit that on. You want to get in there, or you want to hold this?
I'll hold this.
Okay.
You want it up?
Got it? The wall has to push the wall in too far. Right here. You got it? Hold on to it.
Okay.
Okay. Hang on to it.
I got it.
Okay. Oh, okay. I see. There it goes. Right about like that. You want to push the bottom in? There.
Like that?
Yeah, push in some more. Okay, hold on. Okay. That looks right. Is the seat all lined up now?
Looks like you.
Is the seat edge hitting?
No.
No? Because it seems like it should be pushed in a little bit more.
Okay, you're closer.
Okay. Okay, now I'm pushing it into this groove here. Like that, tight. I'm going to have to kind of hold on to this with the glass door because see it's sagging out a little bit, right? So I got to hold this up tight. Now I got to lift this up all by myself. Ew. Am I going to be able to do this? Feel that? Think it can be done? I think it can be done. It's just, let's push this in like that. This is all lined up. I'm going to kind of hold this tight right there, and I'm pretty sure the bottom is tight like that. And now it's a matter of lifting this and snapping it into place.
What happened?
I think we need to take for me to lift this up high enough, this seat has to come out. Or take the seat and slide it that way just a little
You
bit.
can't go any further.
Well,
It's up against the other seat.
okay, let me think this through here. How are we going to do this? How are we going to do this? How are we going to do this? Oh, I might have to pull that out just a hair. Like that. Okay, I'm gonna try to pull that out that way, just a little. Darn. I guess I'm gonna have to slide this out this way far enough to get it. I think I'm off that.
Did it work?
Mama,
Did it work?
it's not working. You know what we may have to do is undo the screws on the bottom of this and swivel this out just a bit so I can get this, and then everything can be slid back into place. You think? You see what I'm saying? Because let me look at this a little bit more closely.
Because the screws went in last. That was the
Yeah,
last
no,
thing
I know,
we
but
did.
that's because we did it.
No, initially that was the last two things.
Okay.
And then the top was put on.
Go ahead and shut it off.